I don't know where he went. No, he went away.
So dead. One more. Do I have any blueberries with me? Yes, I do. One. Wow, that does below. Any fishes in the catches? Anything? Yes, I have fish. I'm surviving.
How long does Kevin take to recover?
If he's down.
Well, if he runs away like a little bitch.
Now he comes back.
Where is he? Is he on the other side? There he goes.
Yeah, he's just running for his life.
Where did he go? Kevin, come back, my bro.
He's fucking taking a jog.
Bro, he's running.
There's a raccoon, do you see it? Outside. A riverbank.
What is on that tree? Is that someone hanging off of that tree?
Yeah. Logan Paul walk.
Oh, there's mothers. Oh shit. Check here.
Someone. Who's calling me?
On the trees, my bro. There's people hanging there.
Yeah. Logan Paul. Oh, one buddy is calling me. I will join the DC after this.
Okay.
Okay. Do that.
Cheers.
I'm dead. Help me.
You're okay, you're okay. Your mom loves you. We need this freaking idiot to come back so we can build. Oh, they're trying to attack me through the door. Stay at the other side of the door. They can't come in. They can't come in.
My fish bly disappear, bro. Laat ek net hierso by die campfire sit en why is this game broken? Full of blood as well. I need to.
Virginia's running for her life. Don't blame her. I would also be running for my life.
If you give her a look, dude, you will see how she goes. Kevin is still fucking taking a joke from me.
There's one coming towards us.
Yeah, he might be dead. Yeah, I'm dead. He's reviving me.
Oh, what about you now?
If you both die, did you save in the dark?
Wait, that's not you. That's you. Okay,
My fish. Yeah, I just need to eat, dude.
you do that, and then quickly move.
Yeah, I'm eating now because I'm like, no. Oh, you died. Nice.
We can't burn him.
Yeah, you can.
Oh my goodness, the glitch.
Just get his foot to touch the fire. There we go. Oh my god.
There.
Like, put like one leg.
There. Move.
Oh yeah, it's burning. Nice.
Yippee.
Oh, and one
I've got blood on me, hang on.
Yeah, same. I need to.
Where is the fish? No, they broke the cage.
I'm standing on it. Remember? Structure damages. Oh, bones.
And skull. I need that skull if you don't mind.
Yeah, it's okay. There's two. Why is there two skulls? I took one. Just.
There's a bone here to the right as well. I dropped it. I don't have any more space.
Yeah, just stand still. I'm giving you a skull.
I've got two on me already.
Oh, okay, I'm just gonna give you.
Sketch. There you go.
I don't have one.
Did I just eat it? I wanted to give it to you.
For the chocolate bar?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gave it to me. It's fine.
Okay, shot. Okay, Kevin, you can come back. We killed the bitch. Hello.
Yeah, he's still like across the river just jogging.
There's one chasing him, I think.
I'm gonna go help him out. You right, mate? Go. Stay hidden. Stay at shelter, please. Don't run away like a little bitch.
Grab a couple of logs on your way, eh?
Yes.
So that we
Quite
can
a
just,
lot.
so that we can just try and close this off.
Oh, by the way, jump throwing just helps a lot.
Ow! Okay, I'm like one shot, eh?
Just keep your hunger and thirst full when you regenerate.
Hunger
Like-
is sharp at the moment.
Yeah, just thirst.
And my health is like non-existent.
And then your sleep is needs to be quite.
Yeah, mine is half now.
Yeah, so
Where did he go?
he's just chilling here.
I need 5 more sticks. Can I send him?
Yeah, I have 5 sticks.
I'm
Done.
sending him to get sticks.
I'm done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Get him to get more fish food.
Ah, shoot. Okay, hang on. I got him to get logs. Quickly stop him.
Easy.
Tell him to get something else. There we go.
Yeah, get fish and. Get
Oh, we
food.
need duct tape still.
Yeah, duct tape. You need to find trays and. We need to start exploring later on.
Yeah, no, definitely. Oh, there's a deer. I'm going for it. No, come back, deer.
Yeah, that thing is fast too. Yeah,
Okay, no, it's too fast.
we need spears because it takes like 8 spears to kill one. What's the point actually in chasing deer? 1 9 mil is all it takes. 1 9 million.
Or a shotty to the face.
Okay, yeah, but it just decimates the whole deer. No. Not really, but yeah. The worst part in this game is to get ammo actually. What I like about this game is if you go into caves and there's a lot of meds on the ground, you pick up all of them, and then there's clan side for me as well.
Oh, nice.
So it's like clan sided.
Okay, where's the fish? Oh, I got a fishy.
Nice. Yeah, it's told him to drop it here as well. Fish in the two fish in the collector.
In what collector?
The thing in my boat in the water.
Oh, nice.
I forgot his name. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on as well.
It sucks that it puts it on the other side. You can't really see.
Yeah. That's what I think.
Mine's on the right.
Yeah, mine's on the left. He dropped another fish there. To make going back for this fish.
What the hell was that?
Yes.
I dropped your fish by accident. It's going back on.
One is.
Oh, you took mine. That's fine. If something attacks me, please tell me.
I'm eating a fish in my inventory, so I can't tell shit.
Great, so if I die, it's your fault.
One behind you, one behind you.
No, bro.
I'm joking. Yes, I did, dude. I was wondering it on it. Just fucking run slow because I eat you for whole fucking night.
Okay, I've got a lot of cooked fish.
The Swiss X is so bad.
My health isn't regenerating.
Is your water full?
Water is semi-full,
Fill it up.
and my food is full.
Okay, then we just wait until night time, then your house should kind of look generate.
Why is he getting rocks? I didn't tell him to get rocks.
I don't know why he's getting honestly. We should actually
Okay.
tell him to get sticks.
Sticks and drop here.
I
got-
just,
Oh, we
Okay.
both did.
yeah, double door him. Yeah, it's like, yeah, I get it, I get it.
Yeah, I got it, bitch. I got it. I took
It's
the
actually
fish.
really helpful.
Skip. How do you select something to give to you?
E and Q. Like you scroll through E and Q and then you just click here. That thing actually gives me like not the back. Oh, by the way, you know Lofi, right?
Hmm?
We were like near the end of the game, we were on top of the high mountain and everything. So you were standing on the ledge. So I had a shit ton of plates, like small rocks in the inventory. So if you give someone something, they push little back. So I told him, look at me, I'm gonna give you some food.
Oh
And I
no.
gave him 10 food and the rocks like super fast, and he fell down and he died completely. Like we couldn't save him because he was so far down. It was just so funny.
He was probably so mad.
Not actually, because we're just having fun. Like we can just get shit back. And then he tried it on me. I cooked my glider and I glided out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you get to the glider stage, the fastest traveling method is the glider.
Makes sense though.
Yeah, you just build a high tower, like go up, down with the glider, and you just like super high, and you just keep falling. Oh, she's in the base actually. Hello. Let me just put away my shit. No, I didn't want to attack you. Sorry. You're gonna walk in the fire, you dumb bitch. Okay, she just jumped on me and run.
Come back
I don't know you were freaky like that.
Oh my goodness, how much sticks do you need?
I'm stuck. Okay, cool. We need to build line like yeah.
What do we need?
I'm gonna build a.
You set it down and I'll just put the sticks on it.
Yeah.
I just love how I see you flipping through a book, but it's the same page on my screen the whole time.
There's actually traps for the.
Yes, I love building the traps. Is Happy
But
Birthday still a thing?
No. But it's so shit in this game.
Or the birthday trap at least.
No. The traps in general in this game. Yes, the jungle. Holy fuck. Boom. I bought a couple of them.
What? Okay, I'm just gonna put this down and then I need to go do something. Okay, there's a drying rack for you. I'm not going out, just
Okay.
quickly need to check something.
Go.
Oh my goodness, what was that? Where's my phone?
Sappy, I have bunny. Come trap quickly.
I'm coming. Oh, what a scam.
Oh, what? What happened?
I got an email Netflix saying it's sad to see you go, goodbye, whatever. And then when I went to go check it, I see it's on a different email account that I've actually not used for Netflix. Where are you? You're at the trap.
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot if I'm crouching, you cannot see me. Okay.
3, 2, 1, now.
Okay. It actually fucking works. Shall we go to sleep? I'm stuck in the case.
We can go to sleep.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I've got it. I'm quickly gonna go build the drying rack and then we can go sleep. Oh, I need
save
more
it,
sticks.
so-
Holy crap.
Yeah, I'm gonna send some to you. Let me just finish it.
I'm gonna save quickly.
Yeah, just save it.
Z.
Coming. I know there's a setting you can set before. Yeah, he sleeps as well on the fucking ground. Nice.
Wait, come back. I need you. Get
I swear,
sticks.
I believe he's deaf, dude. Because why do you need to write stuff down?
No, but he's burst his eardrums. That's what it did in the beginning.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
I didn't tell him to collect rocks, did I? Get sticks and drop here.
Oh, do you use the sticks?
Oh, there he goes. He's getting sticks. Okay, now we need something on the drying rack.
Yeah. I'm gonna put my raw meat now. Oh, I'm
mine's
dying
next
of-
to you.
I'm dying of thirst.
My health didn't go up, by the way. And I was fully,
I mean, if you, in real life, I think if someone absolutely PK'd you, are you gonna eat 2 fishes and gonna be healed? No, I don't think so.
well, maybe. You never know. It might be really good fish.
Some premium ass fish.
It's salmon, bro. What do you expect?
I mean, Kevin he's just catching it with his hands. I mean, it's really dumb fish.
It's really dumb fish. Okay, I need bold and basic log slit.
And if you hold a torch, right, with the sticks and cloth,
Yeah?
and you hit cannibals with it, they will burn alive.
Oh,
So they
nice.
will stop burning now. It's actually a great weapon until you face the
Don't say any more than that.
I ate the mushroom.
Well, you're gonna die. Are you okay? Sketch? You're still alive, I can see you.
I feel okay.
Look at me.
Oh my!
Your eyes aren't red, you should be fine.
I'm not losing health, am I? I'm good.
What was that?
It's a log that I moved on the ground. Dude.
Bruh.
I should put some tune. This is way too quiet.
Bruh to the bone. Ping, 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 ping. Where are logs? I need more logs. 1. Oh my goodness. You should see how this man jumps and runs over things. It's flippin' hilarious.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's another scroll. Come here, Alvin. Oh no, Alvin is a chestnut. That's enough.
I love how he just picks up sticks that don't even exist in my game.
Yeah. Don't step on the star because it absolutely destroys it.
Oh, it's good to know. I am so sorry.
You just kill him.
Gate. How do you tell him to go to the
To the base.
at structure? At shelter.
Yeah, shelter, yeah.
I just chucked him with that rock and nearly obliterated the man's skull.
He's like, why do I have to do that?
If you see the amount of blood that's coming off of his face.
I don't know if you can get sick and die on his own, but yeah. So the problem with him, if you go explore, he's just gonna follow you. If you build a top and sleep there, you know,
Yeah?
he's just gonna go to that new top because that's his new shelter.
Oh my goodness, that's an issue.
Yeah. So he's gonna if you across the map, he's gonna just walk across the map.
Well, it's actually kind of cool, but also I can see how that's
don't
going
know.
to fail.
I don't know if they fixed it because our Kevin died once. Not I died. That was down. We were traveling and slept overnight, like in the middle of the map, near mountainside. And he walked there. When we got back home, we searched for him, and when we looked at the map, he was across at the fucking map. So we had to go.
Go and collect the Kevin.
Yeah, because he cannot get in the vehicles. Because
Oh,
that's
raccoon.
how AI apparently works in this game.
It's ChatGPT 2.
It would be a cool, like, feature if Kevin can ride with you in the vehicles, but
Get logs and drop here. He's so bloody.
yeah, all you have to do if you want to pull him back to base is just get in the vehicle, tell him to follow you, drive to the home, and
He'll
Just
come
wait.
to the base.
yeah, or attract something and let him chase it, and he will run to the shelter.
Might take about a month of Sundays, but
But I think if you destroy the old top and the old bed that you were at, yeah, he will go back to this. So if you just leave tops in the wilderness and sleep there, he will go to that different tops until you break it. And if you break all your, how should I say, shelter or safe place or sleep place, he will just follow you. It's a weird implant for him, but
we might need him to get us fish. My food's still fine, so I'm not too stressed about that.
yeah, my health went up like 1 bar. So,
It goes up, but it goes up flippin' slow.
I mean, it's a little bit of realism into it, I think.
Yeah, sure. Come, let me hit you with a rock in the face and let's see if you die.
Yeah, yeah. Or let me throw you with a 20 kg tree stump.
See if you're okay afterwards.
Yeah, yeah. I might have to leave you in a bit because my poor friend wants to play the angler.
Yeah, sure, no problems.
He's been yapping the whole day.
Poor guy. Can't even
should-
talk, he just yaps.
Hey, you should actually get the game, it's quite fun. If you like
Fishing games.
yeah.
I like tiger fishing in real life.
There's a South African DLC where there's sharptooth tiger fishing. Have a look at it.
Me and my one buddy we do that on his birthday.
But I put up a fight, dude. Jeez.
Yeah. Those things are amazing, that's why I have to go gym before before going fishing.
Yeah. me, my brother, and my brother's friend, we went fishing once. Yeah. We went carp fishing, and we sold it to the boys in town. So,
Mm.
and they were not small carps, dude. They were like fucking at least 10 kg carps.
The one place we went to, there was there was also a carp there, but we caught the carp, but accidentally, you know when you hurt it too much, like it's bleeding, it won't survive. So we had to give it to the skipper, and that man was so happy about it.
Shit. Yeah, the problem is if you fight too long with a fish as well, you can tire it out, and if you throw it back, you won't have enough energy to swim
Exactly.
anymore. Yeah, it will just die.
But the tiger fish isn't like that.
Yeah, the tiger fish is fighting. You fucking get it out of water. It just wants to get back to the water.
Yeah, it will fight you again.
Yeah.
Hey, your fingers, my break.
That's why gloves are necessary.
No, we don't use gloves. We just use a steel tongue. We call it
Pliers.
pliers, yeah. Otherwise, your finger goes bye bye finger.
Yeah, it's like catching a miniature shark.
No, you don't.
Why did you make a planter if you have no seeds?
I don't know. I'm just going with the. Ow! That was
I mean,
close.
I can grow mushrooms.
Well, it's not like we can use the mushrooms for anything.
Yeah, not yet. You still need a pot to make the storage.
We can go exploring quite soon. I'm almost done with the fence.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we just need to carve it, but that's quick and easy. You need like 2 logs, at least. At the most, 2 logs. I don't think they will go around this water because it's too deep. I'm gonna check the fishes, if there's any. Yeah, there's one. There's more than one.
Oh, nice. Go put them on the drying rack.
Oh, my delusional. No, it's just one. Why did you... I had to click it more than once. This game.
Get sticks and give to me.
The thing about the drying rack in this game is just like so lame. But I mean, it fills half of your hunger bar up, so it's a win-win situation.
A win-win semi-lose situation.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna make a door here on this side.
Yeah. You can make double doors as well.
I'm gonna try. It's
Should
not
I help
allowing me.
Drop me 2 logs. Okay. Yeah, the logs need to be straight as well. Everything needs to be earth. So I'm just gonna make it perfect. Why's that logo hanging around?
Oh, there's a... Oh, where did we go now?
Is that straight enough for a door? Not. Or not? Does it this way? This way. Why are you doing?
Why are you doing? You are there, right there.
Why is this game working? Holy shit.
Oh, you're still unable to make a door now.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose it because the doors are not strong enough. That should be strong enough. Give it to me. I'm stuck in it. Yeah, that's not like level enough. That door to be placed. Okay, he's just casually trying to phase through a wall.
Nah, sounds like a skill issue if you ask me.
I casually broke him because I made a gap and he went through the gap, so he thinks there's a good storm. This guy. Like I'm gonna make a double door back here.
Do we just need to make a door that's open?
Yeah. Come on, I can't. It really needs to be perfect. Are you building the Eiffel Tower?
No, I'm just building a wall here.
Yeah, I see.
Because I can come through on that side.
But rocks take so long to get. But I luckily respawn when you sleep, and then they just on this mossy brick they just respawn.
Oh well, as long as I respawn.
Yeah, near this mossy brick you see, yeah.
I'll check now.
Like this rock texture, they will just spawn, I guess.
Yeah.
Are you gonna make the whole wall stone, or you gonna add wood pillars?
I want to do pillars, maybe wood or something.
Okay. Yeah, I see how you wanna.
So it's just like a semi wall.
Yeah.
I love how you're running around with the GPS out.
I always do that. You keep an eye on people, but it's only us two. Plus one.
Plus one retard, yes.
Well, I mean... There we go. Now we just support walls.
Oh,
We don't get it.
I just need to make it go this way a little bit.
Can I not place blocks?
Yes, you can. Now we need to get this guy to get us logs.
Yeah.
Where is he?
Okay, I'm just gonna put mushrooms in and see what happens.
Get logs and drop here.
Was one fish done or not growing up?
Well, it should be.
Because one is gone. Did you take them?
I did not.
Because items are just respawning. Because I know Kevin does not take food out.
Wait, something's coming, I get it.
Behind
Other
you.
side, yeah. Look at it running.
Yeah, he's gonna spear me as well. One is spearing me. Holy fucking shit. Let me still, yeah. Behind you. Yeah, in the house. Yeah,
Oh, here he is.
yeah, spears. Watch out.
Oh, you can't hit him. I'm down.
Yeah, I'm not trying to die as well. He's just walking like a menace towards me. Okay, I'm gonna run. I'm gonna try and...
I'm down.
Yeah. He's blocking as well, dude. It's a small...
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna keep knocking you down. I'm almost down as well. I'm just gonna lure him away. and then revive you, and then you need to run. Okay. Drop some of the blows and then run. You're trying to break the house. I missed my blow.
I'm in the water, I'm in the water. You can't get us?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Run!
Yeah. I cannot keep my shield. I have a better solution, Rocky.
Oi!
Yeah, hit him.
Oi! Oi, he said no! And I said screw you.
I'm gonna take us home. I took us home.
Yeah, you just chuck him in the fire, okay? The best part of all of that,
Can I take his spears off his head? Or half of his body because his head is just crushing out.
his head is here.
Yeah, throw it in the fire.
I'm gonna try. Where is it? I picked it up.
Let's chop his spears. I forgot.
There it is. No. How do you throw it?
If you hold it, you can just press G, I think.
Sketch!
Yeah.
Roar!
Take it easy.
That is so retarded.
I collected bunny heads. Where is it now? Oh,
He's the sketch behind us.
yeah. Check it. You see?
Do you think I could scare him with his buddy's head? Where is he?
Yes, behind you. He's gonna fucking straight up kill you.
Oh, yeah, I'm dead. I'm
I
dead.
hit him with a spear. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna get you in a second.
I was like, yeah.
I one-tapped him with a spear, dude. You scared the shit out of him.
He was
So
so
just-
scared.
So I casually one-tapped him. And I just get my spear. Spot it.
There we go.
More bones, I guess. He does not bend.
How are you supposed to
I-
throw this head?
I think it's just a collectible. You just have it forever.
I'm just casually holding the man's head.
He has a fish, dude. Oh, I almost slapped his ass.
There has to be a way to drop that weight. Hang on.
I mean, you can make a trophy hanger and just hang it on a trophy and
How much blood is in this thing? It's still bleeding. Okay, one.
yeah, it will rot in a while, dude. You haven't placed the skulls yet, but
No,
we can.
we can't because we need duct tape. Where did this man go put our logs? Oh, this side. How did I get into the base though?
I have no idea, dude. Is a door open somewhere?
No.
Oh, the fence is not cut yet.
Oh,
Doesn't that make sense then? So they just casually jump over when you're not looking.
okay. Well, in that case. Oh, look. Something's going to the drying rack. They're taking the fish off the drying rack.
Oh yeah, the fucking birds. We need to build a scarecrow.
You make the things for Scarecrow. I will get sticks.
I need 14 sticks and 4 duct tape.
We're gonna have to go to a thing soon.
Yeah, we have.
I'm starting on this side, just cutting the wall. If you wanna.
Yeah, I'm just chasing the squirrel. He went under the rock somehow. There's a bird, I'm gonna jump on it. I must.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we should probably cut this. Isn't it? Squirrel. I got it. You wanna skin it? Sabi?
Hello?
You wanna skin the squirrel?
Oh, yeah, wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
And this like a second before you because the squirrel has like a input lag.
Okay. I'm almost done up until the door.
We regen the health and nothing.
No, I didn't.
Yes, same. I'm still like that.
Same. Like this.
Wait, Zombie, bring me a full log real quick. I may be able to make a door right here.
What the hell is that?
There's a helicopter.
Where?
Found you.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Yeah, it won't save us. Don't worry.
I wasn't expecting you to save us. Where did our friend go?
Kevin is hiding because of the helicopter.
Well, here's this full log you asked for.
Yeah. I maybe need to cut this first. So what a helicopter actually does, it just attracts more cannibals to us.
Well, that's
Basically,
that's so nice. Aren't they just friendly?
I know, right? Where did my logo? I'm blinded the butterfly with my axe. That's actually so cool.
Yes, people are so sensitive.
Right.
I'm on this Facebook scammer group thing on Facebook,
Yeah.
and the one person asked today, "Is this business legit?" And the quotes and the invoices go to a Gmail account.
Yeah.
And I basically just said, never use a business that uses a Gmail account. It's just not safe. And everyone's like, I use a Gmail account for my business. I'm legit. Blah, blah, blah. Because people are so selfish. Like,
Yeah.
the person didn't ask you. They asked my opinion or other people's opinions. That's my opinion. I don't do business with people who don't have a proper
Account, like,
business email or
Yeah.
a domain.
Yeah.
Because I would rather use pitsplumbingservice.co.za versus pitsplumbingservice
Gmail.
at gmail.com.
Oh, I'm done.
Boom.
Good stuff.
Maybe we should save just before we go. Let me just get it. That's
You need to, yeah, place a stick and
oh,
yeah, you can make it 4 sides up, yeah.
day 5.
Why am I sleeping? Don't want to sleep.
How many logs do we have left? Oh, quite a few on the other side of this thing.
We have a lot of bones just laying around here.
We can make some villages if you want to. Or
Some?
effigies. Can't you make effigies in this one?
No.
To scare them off?
No.
Well, that sucks.
I don't think you can. Well, if you still can, I think we built some in the other base. But it didn't help. It just attracted more fucking critters, dude. Like huge ones. You should actually see what spawns in my world, dude.
I really don't want to at this moment. I'm already like not okay with what we're fighting.
Yeah.
Sketch is like, yeah, you're gonna be screwed. Oh, I think my headphones should go. Give me a sec.
I want to find the charger.
No, not onto the phone. Hopefully this doesn't distort the recording.